Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a clean and organize with me. So I'm going to start off by just cleaning out the fridge. I did go grocery shopping, so I didn't have much to clean out of the freezer, especially because we were down to the bare bones, y'all. So I'm using vinegar and water is the solution that I'm spraying in there. And I'm just using a dishcloth that I threw away after this because I was pretty disgusted by the stuff that I cleaned out of my freezer and fridge. But yeah, I'm just using that to clean up all the ice and all the little, I don't know, how does the freezer get dirty? I don't get that. So I've started putting food in, and I really don't understand what I'm doing just yet. Every time I go grocery shopping, I try to clean it out like this just so I can reset everything, because I never feel like you can really organize a refrigerator and a freezer to be the same way every time you grocery shop. So it's kind of like playing Tetris now. That's basically what I do. I play Tetris and see how it all fits. Now on to this hot mess of a refrigerator. Y'all, I was like disgusted. I took the drawers out, and I won't even show that because there was so much sticky stuff and old fruit and vegetables in there that were just quite embarrassing. So I'm not going to show that. But yeah, I'm just using the same solution to clean. And I found this on Pinterest. It's not new or anything. To put down the drawer liners in the fridge to keep from spills. So I bought a couple rolls from the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna measure it out and cut it to size.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So I start shelf by shelf. You guys are probably like, why is she doing it like that? Why doesn't she just clean it all out at once? I don't have that much space around me, and I didn't want to have all the food out at one time. So I just did it shelf by shelf. It was just better and easier for me to clean it that way. That way I didn't have to just, and plus I had to go through everything and make sure that it was still good and all of that. So I didn't want to just bring everything out and do everything all at once. It's better that way. So that's what the three look like. The reason the middle one was white was because I ran out of the gray one, but the white still was fine. And I'm just gonna organize now, guys. Do you guys organize your drinks? Do you put your drinks at the top? How do you put your things in the refrigerator? Let me know down below. Now on to the sides of the doors. you just get so many condiments. You don't even finish one before you open another. All of that kind of jazz. And I will make a disclaimer now. Yes, 95% of my condiments are great value. We do not really taste the difference, so no need to not get the great value kind, right? Save a buck. But basically, I'm just gonna go through and do the same thing I did with every other shelf and thing in there, and wipe it down with vinegar and water. And yes, guys, I am rinsing off the towel and wringing it out every time. I'm not just like slushing from this area to that area with the same towel. I'm washing it. I have like the sink full of hot soapy water, and I'm doing it like that. So yeah, this is definitely a washed off version of the towel, but I did not keep this towel after that. I was pretty embarrassed. And that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
What we dreaming? Are we dreaming?